Maybe your hero in your film is tired of being out in the cold, so he comes inside to sit by a nice warm, crackling fire. Well, in that case, you're going to need some ramen. While you're enjoying your spicy, chili ramen fire, you may want to consider having some louder cracks and pops in among the general fizz. In that case, you might want to get your hands on some bubble wrap for $1 to $3, depending on where you go, if you're fancy or not. If you just pop a couple of these, it'll add some nice crackle to your fire.